This one fruit can help you build collagen, support your muscles, and even ease joint pain, and it's likely already in your kitchen. But stick around till the end because fruit number 5 isn't sweet, but it nourishes your muscles deeper than any other. If you're over 60, let's talk. Are stairs making your legs tremble? Does getting out of bed feel like a monumental chore? That isn't just getting older. It could be sarcopenia, a silent muscle loss that creeps up on us as we age. And let's be honest, it's scary. Losing your strength means losing your confidence. It's the fear of a fall, or the fear of not being able to keep up with the people you love. But what if I told you that you can fight back, starting today, with something you likely have in your kitchen? I'm talking about fruit. Now, fruit isn't a magic pill. Strength will always require movement and protein, but certain fruits contain the exact nutrients your body is crying out for to protect muscle, calm inflammation, and support collagen, the literal glue that holds you together. After age 50, you can lose up to 1 to 2% of your muscle mass every single year, and your body cannot make the collagen it needs to combat this without vitamin C. So this isn't about just snacking healthy. This is about strategically fueling your body to reclaim your independence. We're about to break down the 5 most important fruit groups, starting with a family of fruits whose true power is often overlooked. Fruit number 1, the citrus powerhouses, oranges and grapefruit. The first and most accessible weapon in your arsenal is citrus. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, we all know they're packed with vitamin C. But here's what that really means for your muscles. Vitamin C isn't just a bonus, it's a non-negotiable requirement for producing collagen. Think of your body as a construction site. Protein acts as the building blocks for muscle, and exercise is the signal to start building. But vitamin C is the essential spark plug for the entire operation. Without it, the whole process grinds to a halt. Scientific studies confirm a direct link between vitamin C intake and skeletal muscle mass in older adults. One large study found that people with the most vitamin C in their diet had significantly greater muscle mass than those with the least. How to get more citrus in your day? Start your morning with warm water and a squeeze of fresh lemon. Eat a whole orange or grapefruit instead of just drinking juice to get the added benefit of fiber. Add orange segments to a salad for a bright, fresh flavor. Squeeze fresh lime over chicken or fish to boost flavor and your vitamin C. So citrus lays the foundation for rebuilding. But trying to build new muscle while your body is under constant attack is like trying to build a house in a hurricane. That's why we need our next fruit group. They are your personal bodyguards.
Fruit number 2, the antioxidant guardians, berries. Next up, the berry family, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. If citrus fruits are the builders, berries are the guardians. Their primary job is to protect your muscles and newly build collagen from damage, which they do with an incredibly high concentration of antioxidants. As we age, our bodies are under constant attack from oxidative stress and chronic inflammation. This inflammation is a silent enemy, causing joint pain, stiffness, and the weakening of muscle fibers over time. Berries, especially deep-colored ones like blueberries, are one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory foods you can eat. Their antioxidants, called anthocyanins, work to calm the chronic inflammation that makes joints ache and legs feel weak. And here's a bonus. Strawberries offer a fantastic 1-2 punch. They're loaded with vitamin C for building collagen, and they also have the antioxidants to protect it. Practical ways to make berries a daily habit. Keep a bag of frozen mixed berries in your freezer. They're just as nutritious as fresh and perfect for smoothies. Toss a handful into your yogurt or oatmeal. Make a simple fruit salad with berries and orange slices. Eat them by the handful for a perfect, no-fuss snack. We've heard from viewers who started adding berries to their oatmeal every morning, and within a few weeks noticed their afternoon leg heaviness had improved. If citrus builds the structure and berries protect it, our next fruit is what turns every bite of protein you eat into muscle-building magic. If you're finding this information helpful, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Our channel is dedicated to providing seniors with safe, effective, and science-backed health tips to help you live a stronger, more independent life. Fruit number 3, the tropical rejuvenator, the kiwi. Now, let's talk about a true superstar, the kiwi. While small, it is mighty. Its power lies in its exceptionally high vitamin C content, often packing more per ounce than an orange. But that's not what makes it so special for this list. The kiwi contains a unique enzyme called actinidin. Here's why that's a game changer. Actinidin helps your body break down and digest protein more efficiently. This is critical, as our digestion often becomes less effective with age. If you can't properly digest the protein from your food, your body can't use it to build and maintain muscle. Kiwi helps you get more muscle-building power from every single bite of protein you eat. How to get the most out of kiwi? The easiest way is to just cut it in half and scoop out the flesh with a spoon. Add sliced kiwi to a fruit salad with berries and citrus for a powerful nutrient combination. Try eating a kiwi about 30 minutes before a protein-rich meal to help your digestive system prepare. You can even eat the skin. It's full of extra fiber. Just wash it well first. Making your protein work harder is a huge step, but all the muscle-building fuel in the world won't help if daily aches and pains stop you from being active in the first place. Our next duo of tropical fruits is famous for their ability to naturally soothe that very inflammation.
Fruit number 4, the cellular soothers, papaya and pineapple. Our fourth category brings in 2 tropical heavy hitters that act as cellular soothers, papaya and pineapple. Their unique strength comes from powerful enzymes that directly combat the inflammation that causes pain and weakness. First, pineapple contains a powerful enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain is renowned for its incredible anti-inflammatory properties, making it a natural ally for anyone with swollen, painful joints. It helps reduce the inflammation that not only causes pain, but also contributes to the breakdown of your collagen-rich cartilage and muscle tissue. For seniors whose weak legs are worsened by arthritis or chronic knee pain, pineapple can offer powerful, soothing support. Next is papaya. This soft, buttery fruit contains its own potent enzyme called papain. Similar to bromelain, papain also has significant anti-inflammatory effects and aids digestion. By calming inflammation, it helps create a better internal environment for your body to heal and recover. Integrating these soothers into your diet. Look for fresh, ripe papaya and pineapple. Avoid canned versions, which are often packed in sugary syrup. Make a tropical smoothie with papaya, pineapple, and a bit of ginger for a delicious anti-inflammatory drink. Enjoy a few chunks of fresh pineapple or a slice of papaya for a naturally sweet dessert. We've built, protected, and soothed our muscles. Now for the final step, we must go deeper. Our final fruit isn't sweet, and it doesn't work like the others. Instead, it supports the very foundation of your muscles, your cells. Fruit number 5, the deep nourisher, avocado. Our final fruit might seem like an outlier, the avocado. Its power doesn't come from sweetness or vitamin C, but from 2 other critical components, healthy fats and vitamin E. Why are healthy fats vital for strengthening weak legs? First, the monounsaturated fats in avocados are essential for reducing chronic low-grade inflammation throughout the body, the kind that contributes to muscle and joint decline. Second, and this is crucial, these fats are required for the health of your cells. Every single cell in your body, including your muscle cells, is protected by a membrane made largely of fats. Healthy fats keep these membranes flexible and functioning correctly, allowing nutrients in and waste out. Vitamin E, also found in avocados, is an antioxidant that protects these delicate cell membranes from damage. How to add avocado to your routine? Use it as a healthy spread. Mashed avocado with a squeeze of lime is a delicious alternative to mayonnaise. Add it to smoothies for an incredibly creamy texture and a dose of healthy fat. Toss diced avocado into salads. It also helps your body absorb the vitamins from the other vegetables. Simply enjoy half of one with a spoon and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. This journey isn't about one magic fruit. It's about the consistent, daily practice of nourishing your body with a symphony of them. The citrus lays the vitamin C foundation. The berries stand guard against inflammation. The kiwi helps you use your protein more effectively. The papaya and pineapple help soothe your joints, and the avocado nourishes your very cells. Slowly but surely, things can begin to change. Maybe you first notice less aching in your knees. Then you stand up from your favorite chair without needing to push off. Your walks get a little longer. You feel a new stability, a renewed confidence in your own 2 feet. The true victory is feeling strong enough to live your life to the fullest, to chase after your grandkids, to know you're not a frail person afraid of falling, but a strong, vibrant person enjoying your golden years. It's about strengthening your legs to reclaim your joy. You do not have to accept muscle weakness. Your body has a remarkable capacity to heal when given the right tools. While nothing replaces staying active and eating enough protein, these fruits are a powerful partner in that fight. Let's quickly recap the powerhouse fruits. Think of it like this. Every fruit you eat is like a little ally helping your legs stand stronger and your body heal better. First, citrus fruits, the essential builders for collagen production. Second, berries, the antioxidant guardians that protect muscles from damage. Third, kiwi, the rejuvenator that helps your body use protein more effectively. Fourth, papaya and pineapple, the cellular soothers that calm pain and inflammation. And finally, avocado, the deep nourisher that supports your muscles at the cellular level. The key is consistency. Find ways to incorporate a variety of them into your diet every day. You have the power to write a new story of aging. Tell me in the comments, which of these fruits will you start with today? I read every one. And if this helped, please give it a like and subscribe so we can keep supporting your strength journey together.